Next, the third method we call shortcut method. For the shortcut method, we are going to start with y is equal to 1 over p dfx. Like I said, this is still called operator method. So we are going to write our differential equation in the term of d. The capital D we call the operator. Okay? So when we write down our differential equation in the term of y is equal to 1 over p dfx, with this method that we call shortcut, we are going to divide it into 5 different cases. The first case, when we said that 5 different cases, we just divide it from the function of fx. The first one is fx in the terms of x to the power k, and k is got to be the positive integer. Okay? If you are in this case, then the way that we are going to solve our differential equation, we are going to write this term in the form of this one is really simple, just like this. We are going to write down the term of 1 over PD in the form of b0 plus b1b plus b2d to the power 2, and so on until the term of d to the power k. The other term then d to the power k, which is d to the power k plus 1 plus 2, whatever, and so on, will be equal to 0, right? For example, if our fs is equal to x squared, if our fs is equal to x squared, when you write down 1 over pd, for example, you write down y is equal to 1 over pd times x squared. And then step that 1 over pd, you got to write it in the term of where b0, b1, b2, b3, and so on is a constant. So the way that we solve for this one, you just distribute the term x squared into the term inside the parentheses. You would get the first three terms. You find the value, but the term after the term of b2, they're all equal to 0, right? Because the third difference the third derivative of x squared is equal to 0, right? This term is equal to 0, right? Because the first derivative of x squared is equal to 2x. The second derivative of x squared is equal to 2. The third derivative of x squared equal to 0. The fourth, the fifth, the n equal to 0. So the whole thing after this square all equal to 0. So you don't even need to write it down. So it just ends up with this term. So you would get if you know B0, B1, and B2, you know the answer of YP. So whenever you have fx in the term of power of x or polynomial of x, then the way that you use to find yp by shortcut method, that you got to write down 1 over PD in this term. And then you can write down the d until the power of d equal to the power of x. And the power of x got to be positive integer. Understand?